In this video, I will explain how the Selenium Manager works in .NET Binding. With the help of Selenium Manager, what happens is that the drivers for all the browsers are downloaded automatically. If you look at the Nugget package for the Selenium WebDriver, you will notice that you can see I'm opening this Nugget in this Nugget package explorer, and you can notice that we have got this DLL WebDriver.dll is over here, and along with that we have got this manager folder, and then there is this Linux, Mac OS, Windows directories, and in each directory there is this executable selenium dash manager, and here selenium manager exe. So based upon which platform you are executing your tests, the typical executable will be used. So for example, if you are on Windows, this selenium manager.exe will be used to download the drivers for all the browsers. And there is another interesting thing over here. If you look at this particular file, selenium.webdriver.target. So what this file is basically doing is that it is grabbing all these files from this folder manager Linux, manager Mac OS, manager Windows, and it is putting these files under this directory selenium manager Linux slash, and all these files will be finally end up in the bin directory. So whenever you build your .NET project or whenever you execute the tests, at that point of time, what happens is that the build process grabs these files and puts in the bin directory, because once it is in the bin directory, then it can launch these executables and then it will download the drivers. So if you look at typical project, .NET project, you will notice there is this bin directory. So if you build your project, you will notice that this directory is created and under this platform. So I have got .NET SDK 8.0, so these files are created in this particular directory. And you can notice this particular directory is created selenium dash manager, and there is executables for each operating system. So when you do like .NET test command, what happens is that it builds the project, it creates this directory structure, and then it uses these files, one of these files based upon the platform, and then downloads the driver for the browser. For example, if you are using this new Chrome driver command or the statement, what happens is that it is going to launch selenium manager.exe, and this particular executable, what it will do, it will go and fetch the Chrome driver.exe from the internet, and then that file will be used to launch your Chrome driver server. So this is how the typical Selenium manager works in Selenium.